Hi there, my name is Arshad and welcome to my channel Reverse Age Academy. Today we are talking about one of the most important fitness tools for longevity, strength training, especially for those in their 50s and beyond. It's not just about building muscles, it's about preserving mobility, bone health, and independence as we age. Why strength training? Well, as we age, we naturally start losing muscle mass, up to 5% every decade after 30. This process, known as sarcopenia, weakens our muscles, leading to loss of balance, mobility, and overall function. Strength training can slow down or even reverse this process. Building muscle isn't just for looks, it's about maintaining functional movement. Squats, deadlifts, and push ups aren't just gym moves, they mimic everyday tasks like getting up from a chair or lifting groceries. By training your body for these movements, you reduce your risk of falls, fractures, and injuries. Now, if anybody who wants to start a strength training program, then you don't need heavy weights to start. Begin with body weight exercises or light dumbbells, focusing on proper form. Make sure to integrate rest days to give your muscles time to recover and grow stronger. Strength training is truly a key to aging well. By incorporating it into your routine, you'll build a foundation for a healthier, more independent life well into your later years. Hit the like button if you found this helpful and subscribe for more tips on staying healthy and strong at any age. And don't forget to check out the link below for a free masterclass on reverse aging, where you can learn even more techniques to look and feel younger. See you in the next video.